8:30. I'm driving to Yosemite. It's about 2 hours from here. Stop, get some food on the way. I'm excited. We'll see if I do any hiking. Today's gonna mostly just be about driving around the park in general. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so to get to Yellowstone, I gotta drive through the park again. So here's the Tetons. A little cloudy today. But I gotta go through this area again just to get to Yellowstone. So we're gonna see some new things, but we're gonna go through the park again. Hello.
Hi there. Have a good day.
Thanks. Okay, so we re-entered the Grand Tetons with this direction. So all this is new sights for me on the road. We're still about 40 minutes away from the entrance of Yellowstone. Oh wait, I have been to this side of the park. This place is so dang pretty. Let's say Yellowstone on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yellowstone! Thank you! This pass is going to be good for 7 days in Yellowstone, and there's another 2.
Awesome, thank you so much. All right, we're into Yellowstone, baby. Another map to add to my collection. Sick.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Oh. Hi, did you just miss the eruption?
We had an eruption just a short time ago.
So I did miss Old Faithful going off by a few minutes, I guess. So I'm gonna eat my food and wait a little bit because it will go off again in like an hour. So I'm gonna chill till then. There's a buffalo over there. I'm gonna do another short hike to go see another geyser over there in the distance. There's just so much to see and do. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know which direction to go. I don't know what's the better thing to go look at. Hope you're having fun editing all this, Eric. They're devious little creatures.
They sit by the trash. They're gonna jump somebody one day.
I believe it. All right, it is 6:15, and there's so much more to do. The sun sets at 9. I don't want to do the exit route yet, even though that's where Yellowstone Lake is, which could be really nice. I want to go north. So much to do. All right, I'm heading north, which is about like 15 miles towards Tower. We'll see what's there. And I think I'll head in the direction towards the lake. We'll see if I actually do that. This is sick. Man, there's so much to do in this park. I need to come back soon. Oh hey, now I'm in Yellowstone. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. Oh hey, now I'm in Yellowstone. Feel the rain on your skin. That's so stupid. There's 2 bison right there. Are there bears? Oh wow. Oh man, can I see some of your photos? Oh wow. Can I hit the left and so there's a few bison down there, and I guess there was a black bear down there. I couldn't see the bear though. What's up, guys? Bears. Now I just need to see a moose. Yes. Yes. Fuck yes. Amazing. That made everything so much better. I'm good. I reached a good point where I should turn around. So I'm about to go across the bears again. But they're gonna be on the other side. Hi, buddy. I'm so happy I saw the bears.
Here I've seen bears.
Grizzlies actually walking around with babies.
There yesterday.
We got bison and deer or elk. Just being buddies, hanging out, watching the sunset together. This place is unreal. Just everywhere there's something to do. There's a lot of cars pulled up, coming up, so there's gotta be some wildlife. Oh, it looks like a lot of bison. Yeah, I think it's just a herd of bison up ahead. How many wolves would you say?
We saw, I don't know, probably 5.
Oh, just sleepy little bison. Alright, caught the sun setting for a little bit, but I gotta get going. I have a long drive ahead of me. sunset. Now I'm really leaving. This is the third time. Third time's a charm, I promise. I have to leave now. I can see the pretty colors. I saw them driving here. I have places I have to be. And I'd rather it be kind of lightish out, even though the sun just sets, if that doesn't really make sense. You know what I mean? It's massive. All right, the time is about 9:30. I got 3 hours left of driving until I'm back to the Airbnb. I need to find food. I haven't had food since the geyser, and I had a little sandwich there. Since then, I've just been munching on snacks. I've not had a meal since, but I got 3 hours of driving. Let's see what happens. Officially out of the park now. No, wait, that's a sad thing. So I got about 2 hours left of driving. Pulled off at one of the lakes. The car in front of me pulled off, and I thought it was a good idea too. And now I'm just looking at all the stars and the moon reflection on the lake, and it's just a beautiful way to end my day at Yellowstone. All right, it is 12:15 right now. I made it to downtown Jackson. Barely anyone around. I still have 50 minutes left of my drive. Just looking out for wildlife. It's about 1:30. I made it back. I saw plenty of deer, I think an elk, and a fox. Time to pass out.